Students, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
So what was the last concept we were discussing? To what I remember, we were discussing polynomials, right? Can someone tell me?
Yes, sir. We were discussing polynomials, and I guess you have to start with the division method of polynomials.
Okay. Anyways, we'll revise from the beginning.
Sir, we completed factorizing, sir. Factorizing the
Anyways,
trinomial.
because it has been many days now since we discussed this chapter, I'll just go in the order. First 5 to 10 minutes I'll revise, and we'll start off with whichever topics we need to continue with. Right. So I hope you're able to see my screen. Right. So I think we discussed what are polynomials. So we discussed what are polynomials, right? They are the algebraic, right? So they are the algebraic expression which are combinations of constants and variables, and you need to ensure that the variable is always raised to the power of a whole number for it to be called as a polynomial. What is the meaning of this? For example, if I have 2x and 2x power half, among both, which one is called as a polynomial?
2x, sir.
So 2x is called as a polynomial because the power of the variable is a whole number. Whereas if the power of the variable is not a whole number, then you cannot consider it as a polynomial at all, right? Then what are the different kinds of polynomials that we have? We have constant polynomial. So what is a constant polynomial? A number itself can be called as a constant polynomial. Why? Because you can still write it as 2 into x power 0. It is a constant polynomial, right? Next is, what is the degree of a polynomial? So degree is the highest power.
Highest.
Correct. The highest power that the variable in the expression of the polynomial has. For example, if I have something like this, 4y square plus 9y minus 7, then what is the degree of the polynomial?
2, sir.
Yes. So here, what is the variable? Y is the variable, right? So suppose, I hope everybody is having the textbook in front of you. So go to MTG in page number 29. This we have discussed, but I'll revise it again. So if you have a polynomial in 2 or more variables, right? If you have a polynomial in 2 or variables, what are we supposed to do? You need to do the sum of powers of variables in each term and the highest sum that you obtain. Aniket, don't use annotation.
Sorry, sir, it was accident.
So just click on clear my drawings. You will have a delete box there.
Okay.
Good. Then the highest sum so obtained is the degree of the polynomial. Is it clear? So that's how it works. So having said this, let's take an expression. So this is there, no? 4x power 4, y power y, y power 5, minus 5xy cube plus 7x square y minus 8. So if I take this polynomial, this is a polynomial in two variables. What are the two variables? X comma y. And what is going to be the degree of it? Degree is going to be sum of the powers of the variable. Here it is going to be 9. Here the power is going to be 4. Here the power is going to be 3. So the degree is going to be 9. I hope it is clear. Right? Next is, so we have polynomials of various degrees. So when you talk about the polynomials of various degrees, first you have linear polynomial. So what is a linear polynomial? Linear polynomial has degree equal to 1. Second is quadratic. So for a quadratic polynomial, degree is going to be 2. Then what you have? You have a cubic. So for cubic, degree is going to be equal to 3. And the fourth one you have it as biquadratic, and the degree is going to be 4. After that, you generally call them as polynomials. That's it. Right. Next is classification of polynomials based on the number of terms. Okay, and the number of terms. First, you have a monomial. Second, you have a binomial. Third, you have a trinomial. After that, you generally call it as polynomial. Okay. Next is, we saw what are zeros of a polynomial also. Zeros of a polynomial. Did we see? So what are the zeros of a polynomial? It is that value of the real number that you substitute in the polynomial so that the whole expression gives out a 0. For example, I have a polynomial p of x, which is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus 2x minus 3. So if I ask you what is the value of p of 3, what is going to be the answer? So it is going to be 3 cube minus 2 into 3 square minus 2 into 3 minus 3. How much is it? 27 minus 9 into 2 is going to be 18 minus 6 minus 3. So 27 minus 18 is 9. So 9 minus 9 is going to be 0. So what is this 3 called as? This 3 is called as 0 of the polynomial. Clear? Right? So we saw what is polynomial equation. Did we see or not? So you guys have to tell me. I don't remember where I stopped. Okay. So till then I'll go in this space. Whenever you say the topic is not discussed, that is when I'll start teaching again. So you know what is a polynomial equation, right? So what is a polynomial equation? If you take a polynomial and equate it to 0, if you put an equal to sign, it becomes an equation, right? So an equation p of x is equal to 0 is said to be a polynomial equation if it has a degree n greater than or equal to 1. Okay. Next is roots of a polynomial. So what do you mean by roots of a polynomial? So what is roots of a polynomial? So if I have p of x is equal to 0, which is the equation of a polynomial, then a is said to be the root of the polynomial if p of a is equal to 0. That is the meaning. Okay. Next is, we saw what is remainder theorem. So what is remainder theorem? If P of X be any polynomial, right, of degree greater than or equal to 1. So if P of X is any polynomial of a degree greater than or maximum equal to 1, then if A be any real number such that P of X is divided by such that when P of X is divided by X minus A. So A is a root, X minus A is a factor, right? X minus A, then the remainder is going to be P of A, right? So having said this, if I have an expression like this, x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1. So using remainder theorem, find the remainder when it is divided with x minus 1. So how to find it? So x minus 1 is a factor, then what is the value of A? A is equal to 1. So you will take this 1 and substitute it here. What will you get? So you will get 1 plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 plus 1. So 2, these things are gone, we will get the answer as 2. Right? So what is the meaning of this? When you divide x power 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 with x minus 1, then the remainder of x comes out to be 2. Okay. So who was telling me that factorization is the last concept we were dealing?
Sir, I told that, sir.
Okay.
We were
So,
dealing with the trinomial factorization.
okay. Okay. So I think that is what we are starting with. Factorization of quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle term. Did we see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I've seen that.
Okay. Anyways, we'll revise it once. Then we'll go to the new concept. So factorization of quadratic polynomial by splitting the middle terms. Sorry, middle term. There is only one term. By splitting the middle term. So how to do this? I'll directly go with an example. Suppose I have x square plus 7x plus 12. If I want to factorize this, right, what am I supposed to do? First step is multiply coefficient of x square and constant. When you multiply it, what are you going to get? You will get a 12. So break the 12 into two parts such that the two numbers should add to give you the middle term. So I can write 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. Can I write it like this? So if I see 3 plus 4 is the one which is going to give me 7. So I'll write this as x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. So x into x plus 3 plus 4 into x plus 3. So x plus 4 into x plus 3 is what is going to be the answer. This is clear. So this is how you factorize it. Okay. Now, there is an example number 9 given like this. X cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. X cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. Now you need to factorize this. How will you do it?
Sir, we have to first take out the common term and then we have to do splitting the middle term.
What is the common term?
So x, we can take it as x, sir. So if we take x out, in the bracket we have to write that x square minus 23x plus 142 minus 120, sir.
You
And
want
now
to
we
do
have
it
to
x square minus 23x plus 142. You want to
142.
do it like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After this,
And then we have to do splitting the middle term here.
okay, 142 is there, means how will you split the middle term? 142, 271. That's it. So we're getting stuck, no?
Yes, sir.
So this is not how you do. I'll tell you this. Okay. So when you have a third degree polynomial, the first step is by going with trials. So when you go with trials, you can try out the value of x is equal to 0. But I told you this point, whichever equation in this world, whether it is a first degree, second degree, third degree, or nth degree also, if that equation has a constant in the sense it is 120. If it has a constant, it cannot have 0 as one of the roots. So x is equal to 0 will not work for this. Okay. So first try
Equal to 1.
So try 1. When you substitute 1, what are you going to get? 1 minus 23 plus 142 minus 120. So 142 minus 120 is 119. Minus 120 minus 120 plus 1 is also 119. Answer will come out to be 0. So 1 satisfies this. Now what you're supposed to do is x is equal to 1. 1 is a root, which implies x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 is a factor. Clear? Now what we need to do is write this x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120 here and write x minus 1 here. Okay. Now this x cube is there, no? Here you have x. So divide x cube by x, do it as a rough work. So what are you going to get? You will get x square. So put x square here. Multiply this x square with each term. So x into x square is x cube minus.
Sir, so now we have to find the quotient.
Yes. We have to find the quotient, and the quotient has to be factorized. Okay, first do using this method. I'll teach you another method also.
Sir, I don't understand this method.
Listen. Which step is not clear?
No, like I understand until you multiply with the first term, but later then I don't get it.
Oh, so till here you're clear, no? This x minus 1 is a factor.
Yes.
Okay, so you need
The
to
long
write,
division method, I don't get it.
I'll tell you. It's like normal division only. Plus 142x minus 120. So if you get x is equal to 1, then you should always write the divisor as x minus 1.
So it's nothing but you have to write the factor in the
You have
divisor.
to write the factor. Okay. Then always ensure when you're doing the long division method, ensure that the polynomial that is being divided is written in the decreasing order of its power. So x cube minus 23x square, x power 1 and 120. So it is written in the decreasing order of its power. And here you have
Okay.
x minus 1. So first take the first term. Here, the first term is only x cube. Divide it with the first term from here, from the factor, that is x. So what do you get? You get x square.
X square.
So put that x square here. Now multiply this x square with each term here. So x square into x is x cube minus x square into 1 is x square, divide both. So you have a minus here, you have a plus here. Cancel this. So you will have minus 22x square and bring this 144 down, 142 down. So it will become plus 142x. Is that clear?
Yes, I can.
This minus 22x square is there. No. So minus 22x square divided with x again.
X.
Divided with this x. So you'll get minus 22x. Clear?
Yeah.
Put minus 22x here. Multiply this minus 22x with x minus 1. So you will get minus 22x square plus 22x. Clear? Understood?
Okay. And we change the signs and we just cancel it. Am I right?
It is like normal subtraction. You have
Okay,
to-
fine.
Now what will happen? This will get cancelled. So 142 minus 22 is going to be 120x. Bring this 120 down. Now what are you supposed to do? 120x is there? No. 120x divided with this x. So you will have 120. So put 120. So you will have 120x minus 120 and change the sign and do it. You will get 0. So first, let me complete it, then you can copy. So what I'm trying to say is this polynomial x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120 is actually the product of x minus 1 into the quotient. That is x square minus 22x plus 120. So we have split a third degree polynomial as the product of first degree polynomial, that is a linear polynomial, and a quadratic polynomial. Understood? Now you have to factorize this. So when you do that, you will have x minus 1 into, when you factorize this, you will have x minus 120 means 120, what can I think of? One 20 is 12 and 10. So x minus 10 into x minus 12. And this will be the factorized value. So when you factorize this cubic polynomial, there are three factors. What are they? X minus 1, x minus 10, x minus 12. So the product of all these three factors will give you the cubic polynomial. Is the point clear?
Yes, sir.
Make a note. Make a note.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, the answer is x minus 1 into x minus 10 into x minus 12, right, sir?
That's correct. There's the answer.
Okay, sir.
Clear? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
The last concept of this chapter is,
Sir, excuse me, sir.
yeah, tell me.
Sir, you told you'll teach another method how to do this.
I'll tell you. So that is called as synthetic division. Okay. So you found that x is equal to 1 is one of the roots. So what is the polynomial? X cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. So the previous method which we did is called as long division. Now what we are going to do is called as synthetic division. Whichever is easy for you can take it, but listen. So if the synthetic division is not accepted for your boards, okay, then don't apply it. There is only taught for you to solve it in a faster way. I'm teaching you synthetic division because it is slightly faster method, but if it is not accepted in your school exams, don't use it. In foundation and MCQs, you can use it. Okay. Now see, what you're supposed to do is you need to put a box like this. So first write the polynomial in the decreasing order of its degrees. Then write the coefficients 1, minus 23, 142, and minus 120. Here. Then write the factor here. So you found the first factor, no, which is, sorry, first root. So write the root here. Is it clear till this step? Did you understand how those numbers came? 1 minus 23, 142, 120.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
why minus 23? What, should it be in this order?
Coefficient of x square is minus 23. No?
No, sir, I'm asking should it always be in this order?
You have to write it in this order. Okay. So it is actually the gap between them. Now what you need to do is, first step for synthetic division is always put a 0 here. What should you put? 0. And add this number to 0, you will get a 1. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Long division, you will subtract. That is why you told changing the sign. In synthetic division, you will add. Okay. Now multiply this 1. Multiply this 1 with this 1. When you do this, 1 into 1 will give you a 1 here. Now, minus 23, if you add it to 1, you will get minus 22. Is that clear? Now,
Yes, sir.
multiply 1 with this minus 22. What will you get? You will get minus 22. Again, add them. When you add them, what will you get? 120.
120.
So 1 into 120, 120. Add them. Minus 120 plus 120 is 0. Okay, when you do the synthetic division method, you will do it only after you find one of the roots. So this number will always be a 0. Understood what you did?
Okay,
Right?
yes, sir.
So since you did for a third degree polynomial, here write 1 degree less x square, x and constant, meaning x minus 1 multiplied with x square minus 22x plus 120.
So, sir, we are finding the quotient directly here.
Yes, that's what. You found it in one step. Right? So x minus 1 into x square minus 22x plus 120. Are they both not the same? You're able to understand? They both are same.
Sir, why did we multiply with 1 in the first?
Which one? This one.
Yes, sir.
Because 1 is one of the roots. No, I told you, you found 1, no?
Okay.
So 1 is one of the roots. So whatever is the first root you get by trial and error method, that should be put here.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Is it clear? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen. So last concept of this chapter is algebraic identities. So when you talk about the algebraic identity, there are 8 identities, of which we'll see one by one. So identity 1 says x plus y the whole square is equal to x square
Square
plus
x
plus
y
y
plus y.
Yes, but how did you get this? So x plus y the whole square will be equal to x plus
Y
y
into x plus y.
into x plus y. So you have two
X
terms
square.
here. You have 2 terms here. So 2 terms multiplied with 2 terms should give you 4 terms. See what the x into x
Yes, sir.
is
X square.
X into y is
Y square. X y.
plus y into x is
X y.
or yeah plus
Y
into
square.
y square. So x square plus x into y is the same as y into x. So you can
Yes, sir.
add plus
2xy plus y square.
That is the reason why I got. Right. This is a simple identity. Similarly,
X minus y square.
identity 2 is
X minus y square.
minus y the whole square, which will give you x square.
X square minus 2xy plus y square.
The same logic. Okay, this part I'm leaving it to you. I'm not solving it. So identity 3 is x square minus
Square
y square.
minus y square.
That will be x minus y
Minus
into
y. So x minus plus y.
that's it. So identity number 4 is what? X plus a into x plus b. It is going to be x square plus a plus b
A
into
plus
x.
bx plus ab.
So same logic, you have to multiply both and you will get it. So if there is anywhere you need proof that you want me to explain, I'll do it. So identity 5 is x plus y plus z the whole cube. Sorry.
Whole
X plus
square.
y plus z the whole square. It will be x
X
square
square plus y square plus z square
plus z square plus
plus 2xy,
plus
2yz,
2yz
2zx.
and 2zx.
So it goes in a cyclic pattern. So this is also derived using the same logic. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So identity number 6.
X plus y plus z cube.
X plus y the whole cube is going to be equal to what is it? So there are two identities, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, or x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Two more. Right?
So, but shall we try this one alone? How we got this? Do you know the proof or you just memorized it? You already know.
No, sir. We know the proof, sir. Proof is given.
You know it, no?
Yes, sir. We know it.
Sir, I don't know the proof. Can you please explain?
Yeah, yeah. So it is x plus y the whole square into x plus y. Can I
Plus
write
y.
it like?
Yes, sir.
This will be x square plus y square plus 2xy into x plus
2
y,
x plus y.
right? Now, how many terms are there here? 3,
3 terms.
2 terms.
2 terms.
So totally, how many terms should you get?
6 terms.
You should get 6 terms. So we'll start from the beginning. X square into x, x cube.
X cube,
X square into y, x square y.
X square
Plus
Y,
y square
X-
x.
XY square,
No, y square x. Oh, yeah, xy square or y square x. Yeah, that's same. Plus y cube plus 2x
2x
square y
square Y,
plus
2y
2x
square
y.
X. Yes, sir.
Oh,
So
xy
2y square square, sir.
xy square.
Okay.
Sorry. I hope you got it.
Yes.
So x cube plus y cube plus x square y plus 2x square y is 3x square y plus
3
y square
3xy square.
3xy square. Or this can also be written as x cube plus y cube plus I can take out 3xy common from both, then I'll have x plus y. That's it. Got it, Mark?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good. So make a note of this. Since you told you didn't know, make a note of this. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Identity number 7 is x minus y the whole cube. See, listen, I'll tell you one logic. So if you remember x plus y the whole cube, right? That is x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y
3x square Y.
3xy square.
Instead of plus, you put minus in the minus 3x square Y minus 3x.
Here what happens is you will have a small confusion. Because when you have x minus y the whole cube, you will have a small confusion. For that, what you need to do is, you can remember it like this. Since x is having a coefficient to be positive, write it x cube. Plus, see, actually x minus y the whole cube, can I write it as x plus minus y the whole cube?
Yes, sir.
So, in the expression of x cube plus y cube, wherever y is having the power as odd number, I repeat, wherever y is having the power as odd number, that term will be negative. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
So what you will have is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Did you understand this? How to remember? Or this can also be written as x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. They both are same. Is everyone clear with this? I want response. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the last identity that you have is identity number 8. So that is going to be x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to how much? Means if you factorize this, you will get x plus y plus z into what will you have? X square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Clear? Is it clear? And one last point that is to be noted is it is given in the competition window. See, what is given in the competition window? It says that if x plus y plus z is a 0, then you can conclude that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3 times xyz. It's very simple. Why is it so? When this becomes 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz will be 0. So take the minus 3xyz to the other side, become plus 3xyz. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yeah. So with this, we are ready to solve the problems. We will solve some illustrations based on properties. That is problem number 10 and problem 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then we'll go to the MCQs. Okay. So if you also do along with me, I'll be happy. Okay. So use suitable identities to find the following products. First one, 2x plus 7y into 2x plus 7y. Basically, what is this? This is 2x plus 7y, the whole square. That is a plus b, the whole square. So what will you get the answer as? 2x square plus 7y, the whole square, plus 2 into 2x into 7y. So that is 4x square plus 49y square plus 4 into 7 is 20.
4x into 7, 28.
So if you have to write it in the order, that 4x square plus 28xy plus 49y square, that will be the answer. Second, 3x minus 5y into 3x minus 5y. So what will you get? This is actually 3x minus 5y, the whole square. That will give you 9x square minus 30xy plus 25y square. Right? Third one is 5x plus 3y into 5x minus 3y. What is it going to be? It will be 25x square minus 9y square. Fourth one, 5x plus 2y into 5x plus 3y. So how much is going to be the answer? It will be 25x square plus
Plus 9.
xy, yeah, plus 10xy plus 6y square. So 25x square plus 25xy plus 6y square is going to be the answer. Right?
Uma சாப்பிட மத்தியானம்
Yes.
So listen,
So that's it. Mother. 4 subdivisions.
only 4. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see the 11th one. The 11th one, they're asking us to factorize it. 36a square plus 60ab plus 25b square.
Sir, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square.
So can I write it as 6a the whole square plus 2 in, so I'll write this
Into
as
6
5b the whole
into
square.
6
So 2 into 6a
2 6
into,
into 5b.
yes, so it will be 6a
6a
plus,
plus 5b whole square,
that's,
which is equal to 6a plus 5b into 6a plus 5b
yeah,
factors.
so understood, no?
Yes.
Yeah, sorry, lost the page. Yeah. Next is second one. 25 by 4x square minus y square by 81. So it is going to be 5 by 2 times x the whole square minus y by 9 the whole square. So it is of the form a square minus b square. So a minus b into a plus b. That is going to be the answer. So 12th one. 4a minus 2b minus 3c the whole square. So we need to
Yes.
expand.
4a square, 4a whole square plus minus 2b whole square plus
4a
minus
whole
3c
square
whole
plus
square
minus 2b whole square plus minus 3c whole square plus,
plus 2 into 4a into minus 2b
very good, plus 2
plus
into
2 into minus 2b into minus 3c
1 minute. 2 into
minus 2b into minus 3c.
repeat again. 2 into
2 into minus 2b into minus 3c
okay plus
plus 2 into 4a into minus 3c.
very good. So it is going to be 16a square plus 4b square plus 9c square,
Minus
minus-
16ab
correct,
plus 12bc
correct.
minus 24ac.
So this is going to be the answer. I hope everybody understood.
So
So next is an interesting one. So let me know once you're done copying this.
and so next one is easy.
Completed, sir.
Yeah, next one is simple, but an interesting one. 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz.
Yes.
So it is of the form a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So what
Yeah,
we can
x
do?
plus y whole square
Yes. So 2x the whole square plus y
minus y
square.
whole square. Sir,
We'll check which one is negative. I'll come to that. I'll explain the logic. So I'll write a plus here. 2 into, I'll write x into minus y. Right? Minus, sorry, I'll write plus 2 into minus y into z plus 2 into
2x
but here I have, oh, I have written 2x here. Yeah. So 2 into 2x into z. Right? Now 2x
Yes.
is taken as a, y is taken as b, z is taken as c. So it is looking in the format a plus b plus c the whole square. So 2x, so y should be negative. Why should y be negative? Because here and here it is
Sir.
negative.
Yes,
So
sir.
2x minus y plus z the whole square. That will be the answer.
You have to expand that much, so factorize.
Oh, they asked us to factorize it. Huh? So factorize it is, this is multiplied with
2x minus
itself.
y plus z into 2x minus y plus.
It's the same thing, 2x minus y plus z. I thought they asked us to simplify. I hope it's clear, no? You're
Yes.
also good. So we'll finish 14 and 15 also. Then I think we are ready to solve the MCQs. So 14th and 15th are related to cubes. So 14th one is 2a plus 3b the whole cube. So it is going to be x cube plus y cube plus 3 into x into y into x plus y. Or you can directly do 3x square y plus 3xy square also. It is up to you. However you are comfortable. We'll do. I'm sorry. Sorry, I clicked on the wrong option. So what was it? 14th, no? So 14th first one is 2a plus 3b the whole cube. So you will have 2a cube plus 3b the whole cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square. So it will be 8a cube plus 27b cube plus 3 into 3, 9, 18a square b plus 6 into 3, 18, 18ab square. Is this the answer? Did I do any mistake? Oh, sorry. There's 9, no? So 9 into 3, 27, 27 into 2 is 54. So this should be 54 AB square. Is it matching? 8A cube plus 27B cube plus 36. Check. 3 into 4 into 3. 3 into 4, 12 into 3 is 36. Yes. Plus 54 AB square. Similarly, if you do for 3p minus 5 cube, the whole cube, what would be the answer? 3p minus 5 cube, the whole cube, what would be the answer? So
27 p cube. 27 p cube minus 125 q cube. Minus 5 square. 27 whole cube plus minus 125 q cube.
So how much is it? 3p the whole cube. 27, no?
Yeah,
27
27p cube. 125 q cube.
This 3 square is 9, 9 into 3 is 27. 27 into 5 is how much? 35 cube.
135 p square. Cube.
Add.
135. 3 into 3.
Okay, so is it like I'm able to hear some noise from back? Is there any possibility you can come slightly away? Yeah. So 27p cube minus 125 q cube. What were you saying? 3 into 9, 27. 27 into 5 is how much? 35, 3, 135.
135.
So minus 1.
Minus 135.
Yeah, p
P
square
square
cube
cube.
plus 5 square is
220.
25.
225.
The 5 25 into 6, no, 150. No? Oh, 25 to 9.
3
25 to 9, sorry. 225 PQ square and there is a minus. No minus, plus only, correct.
No, sir, plus only.
Plus only, correct. So 2 minus 2 plus, correct. So there is that. That's it, no? So we have one last problem. That is the 15th one. We'll see that. So 15th one is 8x cube. Eight x cube plus y cube plus 27z cube minus 18xyz. Yes. So how to factorize this? So this is of the form x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So you will write this as 2x the whole cube plus y cube
Y cube is
Z the
3z
whole
whole cube
minus
minus 3 2x
2x into y into.
3z.
So what will the answer be? 2x plus y plus 3z
Plus 3z. Oh, 2x square,
into
2x square,
plus y
y
square
square,
plus
3z whole square, minus 2x into y
minus
minus y into 3z,
minus
2x into 3z.
correct. So
Then
2x
just
plus
2x plus y plus 3z. 4x
plus
square plus y square plus 9z square minus
minus-
2xy minus 3z
Right.
minus 6z.
correct. Is everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So others? Is everyone clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that's it. I think we are ready to solve the MCQs now. We'll go to page number 45.
45.
Page 45. We'll see MCQs. Level 1. First problem. So which one of the following algebraic expressions is a polynomial in variable x?
X square plus 3x 3 power 2 by 2x.
So option C.
Yes, sir.
So first one is not because x square plus 2x power minus 2. There is not a whole number. In the second option, you have x power half, not a whole number. In the third option, you have x square plus 3 into x power 3 by 2 divided by x power half. Root x is x power half. So x square plus 3 into x square is the expression. So hence it is a polynomial. Most common mistake is you will look at the 3 by 2 and get confused and you will think that none of these. Don't do that mistake.
2x.
So degree of the polynomial.
4.
Degree is 4.
4. 4.
Third one. Degree is
Third one is 2.
correct because you have a linear multiplied with linear. You will get a quadratic. Fourth.
11 by 2.
Did we solve all these things or you solved it?
No, sir. We are assignment class. Right?
Okay. So x power 4 minus 8x power 4 minus 8x square plus 7 when divided with 2x plus 1. So what should be the value of a? What does remainder theorem tell us? When you divide a polynomial whose degree is greater than 1 with a linear polynomial, right? When you do that, then the remainder comes out to be P of A. But what is at A? A is minus half in this case. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So A is minus half. So what will P of A be? 8 into minus half to the power 4 minus 8 into minus half to the whole square plus 7. So 8 into 1 by 16 minus 8 into 1 by 4 plus 7. So this will give you half minus 2 plus 7. How much is it coming out? To be 15 by 2 minus 2, 11 by 2. Is it what you told?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So option A, 11 by 2 is the answer. Sixth one.
Sir, 3 ABC.
How much?
Which one,
is
sir?
If a plus b plus c is, oh sorry, fifth one. If a plus b plus c is 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube will be equal to
3
3ab.
ABC because A plus B cube plus A cube minus
just
3 ABC. Then you can-
Yeah. Just give me a minute. This is the competition bit also. A minute, I'll be back. Yeah. So sixth one is over. Seventh one is a power 2x minus b power 2x is factorization of this. It will be a power x plus b power x into a power x minus b power x. Why is it so? Because a power 2x is actually a power x the whole square minus this is b power x the whole square. So a power x is, if I take it as capital A, b power x if I take it as capital B. So it is a plus b into a minus b. Hence this answer. How to do the eighth one? X square plus a plus b plus c into x.
X plus 2 into X plus A plus.
So how to solve this?
Sir, because X square plus A plus B plus AX plus AB BC.
No, I didn't understand. I'm sorry. So here, if I see, I need to multiply this one with this thing. So I have b into a plus c. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So these are the factors. I need to find the factors for that. That is the only option is b into a plus c. Then what should I do? So can I write this as x square plus ax? Sorry. X square plus bx plus a plus c into x plus b into a plus c. Can I do this? So if I take these two terms, I'll have x into x plus a plus c. Plus if I take these two terms, I'll have b into x plus a plus c. Am I clear? So what will I get? This will give me x plus b into x plus a plus c. Is there an option like this? Option C. Is there anyone who is not clear with what I did?
No, sir.
For the polynomial p of x is equal to ninth one. For the polynomial p of x is equal to x power 5 plus 4x cube minus 5x square plus x minus 1.
Sir,
One
1
of
will
the
take
factors is, so find the root.
1.
So,
It's 1.
so root is 1 means answer should be x minus 1.
Yes, sir.
So see, only option is check p of minus 1, check p of 1, check p of 0,
Sir,
and check
P of 1 will come.
That's what I'm saying. I'm just giving you the idea. So since you're saying I'm not checking it, P of 1 is the answer. Option B is the right answer. So factorization of a square plus b square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca is how to solve. How to proceed?
Sir, we can take it as a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2 into bc plus
I
ca.
can take C common.
Yeah, you can take
So I'll take C common. I'll have B plus A.
a.
So what will this be? This will be A plus B the whole square plus 2C into A plus B. Am I right? So what
Yes,
is
sir.
common output? Take out A plus B
A
common.
plus b.
So you'll have A plus B plus 2C. So what will
plus
answer
B.
be? A plus B
A
into,
plus b plus 2c.
is there an option?
Yes,
Option A.
option A.
Simple, right? All these are simple only. So we'll proceed. Eleventh one. Factorization of x square plus 3 root 2x plus 4.
A plus b whole square.
Is it working?
Yes.
How? It is not A plus B whole square, is it? 2 root 2 into 2 root 2.
X x 2 root 2 x and root 2.
Option A is the right answer. So how will you solve it? X square plus 2 root 2x plus root 2x plus 4. So if I take out x common, x plus 2 root 2, plus here if I take out root 2 common, it will become x plus 2 root 2. So you will have x plus root 2 into x plus 2 root 2. That is the answer. X plus root 2 into x plus 2 root 2. Option A is the answer.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell me.
If you take x square plus 2 root 2x plus 4, can you write like, can you take it like a plus b whole square plus root 2x?
Tell me again. I'll try to write and see. X square plus. What did you want? X square plus 2 root 2x plus 4. What did you want?
Plus 4.
Okay. And what
So
about
then
this?
how will you get the answer?
What about
Yeah,
this?
yeah,
root?
if we eliminate that.
You suppose this was the problem. That's what you're asking.
No, I'm just saying if there's a problem like this, how can we solve this?
Yeah. We'll see though. But you can solve, but you don't have the logic this year. You learn about this only next year. There is a formula to solve this. Or there is something called as completing the square. Any quadratic equation can be solved. But if I explain now, you will get confused.
Oh.
I'll just tell you the idea. If you have time, you can just go and check it out for yourself. There is something called as completing the squares or quadratic equation formula. Okay. So I think I put a video on this in the YouTube channel also. The Learning Room YouTube channel. I put a video on this quadratic equation formula. If you have time, you can go and check it out.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So 12th one. X square minus 1 minus 2a minus a square. Factorization of this is going to be what? Actually, it's simple only. No.
Is it like a plus b into a minus b?
That's what we need to do. So what I can do is x square minus a square minus 1 minus 2a. For example, something like this is there. A into 2 minus a is what I get. This side I have nothing common. 6 square minus 6 square.
Sir, you can
So-
take x square.
This
Sir,
2a is
can you add the same thing again?
x square minus a minus 1 minus a minus a square. Can I write something like
Take
this?
it as x square minus a plus 1 whole square.
X square minus
A plus 1 whole square. Like the half of the equation. X square minus a plus 1 whole square. No, like before you wrote a square, right? A
I
square
wrote
minus a
what-
square.
What did I write? I wrote x square minus a square
Yeah, before writing this, you wrote.
minus 2a
Yeah, yeah.
minus what I wrote.
Yeah, no, write the 2a this side so that we can understand.
But where is that? 2x, 2a.
No, 2a. Instead of 2a, please write it in the last.
Oh,
The
that's what I
last
wrote.
term.
Minus 1 minus 2a.
Yeah. Here we can take like x square minus a plus 1 whole square.
But if you take x square minus a plus 1 the whole square, when you square it, you will get x power 4. No?
What? No, I'm saying like minus a plus 1 whole square. A plus
So
1 whole square.
X square minus
A
plus
plus 1 whole
1
square.
that is
Yeah,
right.
like this.
So now we have x minus a minus 1 into x minus a plus 1. That's the answer.
Yeah.
So what we have done is x square minus of a square plus 2a plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
That's right. So which of the following algebraic expression not a polynomial? Obviously,
B.
B. 14th one. 42 minus x square. When you factorize it, what is the answer?
So that is x plus 7. X minus x plus 6.
So we'll do one thing. I'll take the minus sign outside. I'll have x square plus x minus 42. So minus of, can I write this as x square plus 7x minus 6x minus 42 minus of x into x plus 7 minus 6 into x plus 7. So you'll have x plus 7 into x minus 6, but you have a minus sign outside. Push the minus to this, you will have x plus 7 into 6 minus 6. Is there an option? So C is the option.
Sir, why
it-
did you multiply minus to only x minus 6?
Because all the other options are having x plus 7. No? So wherever 7 is, when I multiply that minus sign with x plus 7, then the coefficient wherever 7, the coefficient of x wherever 7 was there should have been minus. Is there any option like that?
No, sir, there is no minus x.
You will get something like this. Minus x minus 7 you would have got. Suppose you wanted me to multiply this minus only with x plus 7. I would have got minus x minus 7. Is there an option wherever 7 is there, where the coefficient of x is minus 1? That is why I didn't take. Understood? Yes, so are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, 15th. In the method of factorization of an algebraic expression, which of the following statement is false? Taking out a common factor from two or more terms. Taking out a common factor from group of terms. Using remainder theorem, using standard identities. Which one is wrong?
C, using remainder theorem.
Why would you use this unnecessarily? 16. a plus b the whole cube minus of a minus b the whole cube. So what are the factors of it? So a plus b the whole cube is what? A cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Minus, what about a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So what will get cancelled? A cube and a cube are gone. You will have 2b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus 3a square b minus 3ab square. So what will the answer be? 3ab square gets cancelled. So 2b cube plus 6a square b. So if I take 2b outside, 1 minute. If I take 2b outside, it will be b square plus 3a square. So what are the factors? 2b and 3a square plus b square. Answer will be C. Did you guys understand what I did? So I just wrote a plus b the whole cube and a minus b the whole cube and subtracted both. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So the common term that must be added to each term of a square is to b square to make it equal to a is to b. So what should I add? Check with all the options, you'll get the answer. 17th one. A square is to b square is there. If I take option A square, if I add AB, b square also I add AB, then A into A plus B is to B into A plus B. What will happen? A plus B is A plus B is for A is to B. So option is A. Is there anyone who didn't understand the question itself?
Sir, can you explain it once more?
So the 17th one, read the question. The common quantity means there is a term that I need to add on both sides of a square is to b square, so that the final ratio becomes a is to b. So to a square, if I add ab this side, b square, I add ab this side, then what will happen? I'll take a common, a into a plus b. Here I'll take b common into b plus b. B plus a and a plus b will get cancelled. Answer will be a is to b. Is it clear?
Yes.
That is what they asked. Suppose if you see option B, to a square, had I added a plus b on both the sides, b square plus a plus b on both the sides, will you get a plus b? So if I take out a common, a into a plus 1 plus b plus b into did you understand this? See, I'll write it again. If I add a plus b on both the sides, then from a square and a, if I take out a common, I'll have a into a plus 1 plus b is 2. Here I'll have b into b plus 1 plus a. Are you able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
So here it is not working. So the only option, because a is to b is not what you're getting. They're not, nothing is common and nothing is getting cancelled. Right?
Yes,
So that is
sir.
why option A is the right answer. 18th one. One of the dimensions of the cuboid whose volume is 16x square minus 26x plus 10s. So factorize it. We'll have 160. So 160, how are you going to factorize? 160, 280, 420. Is it working? But you have 26 here. So what are the factors, guys? Anyone?
Where 8x minus 5.
How did you get it? So actually, I'm able to see that 2 is common.
Yeah, 2 is common.
So
8x
2 is
minus 5.
8x square minus
You can get
13x
2
square.
into 8x square minus 8x minus 5x plus 5.
8 into 5 is 40. 40 means how can I write? 8 5 is more.
Yeah,
Minus
you can write 8x minus 5x plus 5.
Ah.
So you'll get 2 into 8x minus 5 into x minus
8x now, then x minus 5 is what you will get.
5. 2 into 8x minus 5
Minus 5 into
x minus 1.
x minus 5 or 1 order.
X minus 5. Here you will get x minus 8x minus 5. Sir.
So
Here
2
8x
into
minus 5 and x minus 1.
5 into x minus 1.
X minus 1.
So 2 is a factor. 8x minus 5
Yeah,
is a
2,
factor.
8x minus 5 and x minus 1 are the factors.
All of these are factors.
All of these.
So we'll do one last problem. 19. Find the value of x plus y plus z such that. So x plus y plus z is equal to what? If x square plus y square plus z square is 18 and xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 9. So what you will do is consider x plus y plus z the whole square. That will be x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx. So x square plus y square plus z square is 18.
18 plus 2 into 9, you'll get it as 36.
36. So x plus y plus
So x
z.
plus y plus z will be equal to 6.
It should actually be plus or minus 6, but again, option is not there, so we are taking it as plus 6. So option C is the right answer. I think 20th is simple. With that, we'll end. So using remainder theorem, find the remainder. Find p of minus 3 and tell me. So that is minus 27, minus 27, minus 12, plus 50. So minus 54, minus 12, minus 69, plus 50 is minus 19. No option.
So you'll get it as
Minus 27, right?
you get minus 16 also.
So 54. Oh, 54 minus 67. What will be the answer? You are getting
Minus 16.
So minus 54. Minus 4. Yes, minus 16. See, minus 54 plus 50 is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 4 is minus 6. Correct. So we'll solve the remaining problems tomorrow. And after this, what is the chapter taught in your school? after polynomials?
I think Euclid's geometry.
Yes, sir. Then after polynomials, Euclid geometry. After Euclid
After
geometry,
Euclid geometry,
quadrilaterals.
quadrilaterals. Now quadrilaterals is going on.
Quadrilaterals. Okay, we'll start with.
And so we are halfway done in quadrilaterals.
Same with us.
We are done with quadrilaterals, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we are
first
halfway
it's-
done.
Okay, both are easy only. Nothing to worry. We'll start them tomorrow. I'll start Euclid's geometry. Then we'll go to quadrilaterals. Okay. That's it from my side also. So we'll wind up, guys. Okay. I'll
Okay,
see
sir.
you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Bye-bye.
Sir?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, nothing, sir. Can I leave?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, sir.